Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use edge panels or sidebar on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, using the edge bar itself is really simple. All you have to do is locate this little white line here and simply press and swipe in the opposite direction. Or we can even change its location, but if we simply hold and swipe, we can see that we have different applications. I think by default you have applications. I currently have tools, I believe, set up. So for me it's, well, I can see where south is if I want to. But you probably want to change it to something else. As well, you probably want to customize your phone however you like. So in order to actually change it, I want to go to settings, scroll a little bit until you see display. Here you also scroll down until you see edge panels. Now you can disable it completely if you're, for example, activating them by accident or just don't want to use it. But for purpose of this video, I will enable them and click edge panels. So now, as you can see, we have few different options. The most important one, I believe, is simply panels. And here we can choose different options to, well, showcase on our panel. For example, in our tools here, there's only one option, and it's to use location on our compass. But I will check apps, and also you can have two different panels enabled. So if I will try that again, yeah, you can basically swipe between them. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different applications now. For example, notes, gallery, internet, AI select, basically any useful applications you probably want to use. And you can always swipe back. And if you want to customize these apps, you can simply click the pencil icon here. And as you can see, well, for me, I want to disable the basic Samsung internet and instead get myself a nice Firefox and also a gaming hub, you know, because I'm a gamer. And as you can see, we are now no more applications can fit. So if we add one more, they will be in 4x2 grid. And if you would add more, they will get smaller, and basically I don't think the grid will increase, but we'll be able to scroll through it normally. So now we simply leave it, and as you can see, our now bar now has a bunch of different random applications I enabled randomly. And as always, we can click. Oh, I actually wanted to showcase that we can always just click those those pencil icons here to actually change it however we want. But we can also click those 9 dots here if we extend it. And here we have a nice list of all those applications here. And here we have a very nice shortcut into panels if we simply click this cogwheel right here. So we can enable a bunch different things. You can even be crazy and simply enable everything. You will have a lot of clutter, but hey, it's your phone. And now we can simply scroll through all different panels here, and we can just swipe basically infinitely. So for example, we can have a button to take a screenshot if you want. Other option you can actually customize is the handle here. You can change its position from left to right, and we can actually lock it, because as you could see before, I could hold it. Actually, I don't know how I did it before. Wait, because that will simply oh, I don't think we can actually change it right now, but we can move it however you want. So if you're using your phone with one finger, you probably want to get this at the bottom of your screen, so you can have an easier access with your thumb here. But we can also lock its position. So once we set it, for example here, we won't be able to change its position normally, only via this menu. So we can customize it however you want. For example, I will choose green, as I really like the color green. I can increase the transparency or not, so it's full green. You can change around its size, so it's easier to actually catch. And you can change its width, so it will be thick or thin. And now if I want to leave it, as you can see, it is much easier to access it, and we no longer can hold it to actually move it around like before. So that's all for this video. Remember to simply customize it however you want and play around with it, since it's your phone after all, it's your edge panel after all, and you can do whatever you want with it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.